this much of the front of the plane was bad.
There you go. All right, let's try this again. I don't feel any wind again.
No wind. Okay. Perfect timing. Mother Nature.
That's better.
Yeah, a little way better.
Yeah, I'm not fighting it now because I had to fight it, turn in the other direction.
How much did you cut it down?
35%. It was at 100. I took it to 65. Still turns. Still turns. Not quite as much, but it's turning. All right, let's try again. Take it off. That's what I'm going to do. We're all right. We're all right.
Gear up.
It's that landing gear, the way they did that stuff.
Yeah, the soft rear.
Yeah, I'm okay. It's not that bad.
But you're going to figure it out, Ray, because that's the menu off. Takes the village to fly a plane, you know that.
Hey, you guys are helping. You're all here. Okay. That was a lot of trim.
A lot of which way?
Right.
Right. It's probably that stabilator not being equal.
Tired of this, man. I don't know how you guys flying it up there, and that sun just kills me.
Sounds good.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
I feel like it's nose heavy. Yeah. Well, you saw the takeoff. I think that's just because I didn't do flaps.
Did it need much up?
Yeah, a lot. I think that's just because I didn't put enough from what the manual said. It's still climbing. So flying, I think it's nose heavy. Because flying straight and level, it's fine. Yeah, but when you speed up, oh, see, it's okay now. I put a couple more clicks.
25 degrees, nose up, inverted.
Yeah. That feels better. Whoa, lots of wind over there, though. Must be a thermal or something.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Sounds good. Yes. I didn't touch it. It's kind of cool. I don't like that ground handling issue, but it doesn't have as much as the bone stock. I do, because it has none right now.
Yep.
It's bottomed out.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I had the plane I had gotten from Banana Hobby. I had that F-18 with the folding wings.
Right.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Loose like that.
Right. All over the place.
Gear
I
down.
had to take off really, really slow and just build gradual up, and that's the way I got around it.
Right. Hey guys, I'm landing.
Landing!
Did you check the flaps?
No, I didn't use them at all.
Off to the left, right?
What? Yeah, I don't like that gear. I don't like the gear.
It's because when it goes, the wheels kind of
30
Yeah,
seconds.
I don't like the gear.
put some stiff springs on it.
I don't like that gear. They look cool on the ground, but I don't think that there's really any use to them.
Just change the springs, that's all.
I don't know how you get those things off of there. Did you look at those?
I did. They look weird.
I think they're pressed on.
Or maybe it's just too sensitive on the nose. It's 90%.
I know. It's taking too long before you
No, it moves right away. I mean, see, so look, I'm barely moving right now, and it's turning. See? But I don't know. I don't know. I don't like the tippy. I burned off the damn missile.
I go 100% throw rate and then throw 30% next roll.
Yeah. But see, then it's moving too much. We'll try it. I'll try it.